Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you turn on Cash App Pay in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on Cash App Pay anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to accept various types of payment because it can help increase your conversions, and Cash App is a popular way to make payments. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn on Cash App Pay as a form of payment, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Okay, so once you click on the gear icon, you're going to look for this button here called payments. It looks like a little wallet. Once you do that, you're going to see these options at the top, and you want to click on payment methods. Okay, so next you're going to see all of the payment methods that you're currently accepting. So you want to scroll down until you see the Cash App logo and click on this button, turn on. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see Cash App Pay is active for this Stripe account. So now if my customers want to pay with Cash App, they're going to get that option when they check out through my Stripe. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to turn on Cash App Pay, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way in your Stripe, leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.